Hey guys, and a very warm welcome back to DIY Fab House. So in today's video we will be looking at a trick to make your own squishy beads for your slime in India. So for this trick what you guys need is a glue gun. So this is a glue gun, and you guys need a glue gun for this, and please make sure that the stick of the glue gun that you're using is a transparent one. So what we'll be doing, the second thing that we need is this is a kind of a duct tape, and this tape is basically having a kind of this shiny paper on it, which is known as parchment paper. If you can get a parchment paper like separately from any shop of the stationery or any other shop, it is basically used, this parchment paper that I'm talking about, it is basically used in baking. So if you guys can find anything on the baking shop, so you can just buy that would be okay. But for this I'm using this duct tape because it also consists of parchment paper, and this paper has a speciality that the glue gun, the plastic of the glue gun doesn't stick on this parchment paper. So I'm just going to paste this here, and upon this we are going to make some squishy beads. So now let's get started. So I just take some amount of duct tape. I'm just gonna cut this from the end, like here I have duct tape. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just make small beads on it. I have made my glue gun. You can see that these are very much transparent. Just take care that the shape which comes above is kind of circular. You can just select whatever size you want. I'm just starting with small beads. You can make of many sizes or any size you want. So now let this dry a bit for some time. So after it dries up, this one is dry. You can see it's just come out so easily. This is my squishy bead, one up here. It's like a drop. And you can make n number of beads, whatever amount you want. But what you need to take care is that you need to buy a parchment paper or a duct tape which is like this. I know the shape is not quite circular, but you can make it circular if you can, but it's a bit difficult to make it complete circle. But if you can, so it's a nice thing then. And this way I get a lots and lots of squishy beads up there. So guys, you know what, this is a kind of a double-sided tape. Okay, and if you remove this parchment paper, so you get it exposed from the other side, but this paper is the one that we want. So we're gonna be making some more squishy beads, and then we'll be putting all of them in our slime, which I'm going to make another video in which we'll be using these squishy beads to make a beautiful slime. So now I've arranged some more duct tapes. I'll make some big squishy beads now. So what I think is, I think these much are okay. We have prepared a nice amount of squishy beads, and now we are going to just remove or collect all of them. Just take care that they all are dried enough. Okay, so this is one which I've got, and if you guys just feel like, wait a minute, yeah, if you guys just feel like that this thing is coming out, so just remove this with your fingers. It doesn't matter, it will give you a perfect circular shape. So this is our squishy bead. So I'm just gonna collect all of them, remove them with my fingers. I'm gonna kind of continue doing this. Let's skip past this one. There we go, guys. I have this large size beads, and here I have some small beads and some medium beads. So this is the collection of my squishy beads, and you guys can use these squishy beads in your slime. They're gonna stick very nicely in your slime, so you don't need to just don't need to worry, and this is gonna work very nicely. I've made many squishy beads. I think for one slime they are ample, and I'm going to make more squishy beads for stock. And I think this is a very easy trick. If you guys have some glue gun at your home, just buy a transparent stick if you don't have, and just make these squishy beads at your home yourself. You need not buy this from the market, because in India it's difficult to get squishy beads. Either you need to refer to Amazon or something, but in this way you can make it at your home. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much, guys, and have a very nice day.